Something the SigEnergy can do is provide power cut protection through something called the Sigen Gateway. This means that if you have a power cut, the battery will keep the building running. There are single-phase and three-phase gateways available, going all the way up to commercial scale backup for things like warehouses. But for most houses, you're going to get the Sigen Home Pro Gateway, which can back up a full 100 amp single-phase supply. The gateway sits between the incoming supply to the house and the main consumer unit. On installation, the meter tails are routed through the gateway and it's then able to cut the line to and from the grid in the event of a power cut. SigEnergy has also incorporated a smart port and a generator input. The smart port is rated to 100 amps and allows you to control when a certain load receives power. So you could wire your heat pump into the smart port and control when it's powered via the Sigen Gateway. The smart port will also allow you to separate critical and non-critical loads in a power outage. So you could put your lights, fridge, Wi-Fi and so on a separate consumer unit which is wired to the backup port, and then put the rest of the house on the smart port and set the gateway to cut the power to the smart port if the battery charge drops below a certain level in a power cut. There's also a generator input which simply allows you to connect a generator which is controlled by the gateway. The gateway can then tell the generator when to turn on and off to top up the batteries. Now I should mention that taking advantage of the functionality these different switchgears provide will add a lot of electrical time. So if you do want it, then your installer's going to need to budget for more electrical labour in their quotation, and the price will likely increase. If you're looking at solar or battery, please do get in touch with Spirit Energy, and either myself or my colleagues will give you a bespoke technical quotation that's tailored to your needs and that maximises the return you're getting from your solar and battery.